Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Panax Ginseng extract bottle. First, it's important to determine if your extract comes in a small vial or a traditional bottle. Many ginseng extracts are packaged in vials that require a specific opening method. Always place your container on a clean, stable surface to ensure safety and prevent spills. If you have a ginseng extract vial, you'll typically find a straw or a small puncture tool included. Use this tool to carefully pierce the silver liner located in the middle of the vial's top. Once punctured, insert the straw completely to drink the contents. For safety, avoid using sharp objects not designed for this purpose. For Panax ginseng extract that comes in a traditional bottle with a cap, the process is similar to opening other bottled products. For twist-off caps, grip firmly and turn counterclockwise. If the cap is tight, a rubber gripper can offer improved leverage. Remember, child-resistant caps require you to push down while twisting to release them. If a cap is stubborn, gently tap its edge on a hard surface or run it under warm water for about 30 seconds to help loosen it. After opening, proper storage is crucial. Keep your Panax ginseng extract in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Always ensure the bottle or vial is tightly sealed after each use to maintain its freshness and potency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.